everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for you. I'm sitting in my family room here on the most beautiful sunny morning. Thank you so very much. Sunshine. It's lovely. And I'm riding on a high of a lovely evening last night, Sunday, March 24th. We went to our local congregation, actually at a Holiday Inn, because the hall was a bit too small for us, so we had to go to a Holiday Inn to rent a larger room to celebrate the memorial of Jesus Christ's death. It was just such a lovely occasion, and we got to see a lot of people that we haven't seen over the years, and have a lovely fellowship. It was just lovely. So I'm going to put some pictures up of our children in their different congregations if you want to see them at the end. The only one that we didn't get a picture of is our oldest grandson, Zach. He's in another congregation. He didn't take a picture. But these are all of our 10 children and their family, our lovely grandchildren. And we had some lovely experiences shared last night. It was a wonderful program. We really enjoyed it. It was free to the public. It was just awesome. So that was our evening. And as I said, I'm riding on that because the sun is shining this morning. I will be going up in my sewing room in a little while. I'm going to be finishing up, working on finishing up my Dresden plate little wall hanging, and I'm thinking of working on another little wall hanging project. But I was thinking about it. I've been looking at a lot of pictures, and what really appeals to me is making a small quilt, but out of just one block. And again, like you might think, well, the Dresden plate was a block, but that was an applique. And I was thinking, I really do try to do this for beginners, really beginners, as you know. And I thought maybe I'm just gonna make one block and then have it as a wall hanging. I still have to put my thinking cap on about that, but a simple block that I'm going to get into how we can hang it, how you can even frame a block for your sewing room, just a small block or a bit of a larger block, or even if it's a larger block, you can have a crib quilt, a baby quilt, a table topper, something like that. So I'm putting my thinking cap on. That will be coming very soon because I will be finishing my Dresden plate. But right now, something exciting happened. I had gotten a email from Ricardo, the Fabric Hut. As you know, last year I had reviewed their titanium blades, and I was sent them. Well, I got an email from Ricardo, and he had asked me if I wouldn't mind reviewing and or making in a tutorial version or tutorials one of their quilt kits, their pre-cut quilt kits. Now, you might have seen advertisements on Instagram or Facebook for the Fabric Hut, and he had sent me an email with 3 options, and I had said, quite honestly, well, it would be a lovely venture. I don't mind making a quilt, but right now I can't afford it. And of course he said back, he said, no, we will send you the kit for free. And you can basically review making it on your channel with pre-cuts. This is something very new to me. Everything's redone. It's a kit. And I thought, okay, I'll do that. That's cool. So I just received in the mail a package to make this quilt. It's called the Iris Quilt. This is the one I chose. It's called the Iris Quilt, and it will look exactly like that. These are the fabrics. Now, as you know, I love to put my fabric choices together, but I thought, yeah, I'll do that. This is called the Iris Quilt. It's a pattern by Erica Jackman. I do have permission to make this quilt, kitchen table quilting. And then along with it, it said, thank you for purchasing, which I didn't. Thank you for receiving our Floral Harmony kit. Your kit is all pre-cut and ready to sew. Please skip to the scrap option on page 2 for the lap-sized quilt. You can skip all the cutting and just start sewing. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I am going to be making, as a tutorial, this quilt, which has all of the fabrics pre-cut. That's so interesting. And with the fabric kit that you receive from Fabric Hut, you receive the backing. You receive everything. That's pretty good. And I believe this was $158 or $138. I have to look up that because I got it for free. But it's all of the fabric and it's all pre-cut. So I will be making on camera this quilt here. Oh, it's so lovely. And it tells you, obviously, if you wanted to use your own fabric and just purchase the pattern, how much you need for each size, a baby, a lap, or a twin size quilt. But this is a skill level intermediate. So, but when all of the cutting is done, I imagine that brings it down to a beginner. So that is so awesome. I'm going to be doing that, reviewing that on my YouTube channel here. That will be interspersed with my wall hanging little series that I'm going to be making. But the lovely part of it is the Fabric Hut is very generous, and they have actually sent another kit for the exact same quilt. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's all falling apart here. They've sent another kit for me to gift one of my viewers with. So when I'm finished my little quilt here, the tutorial, I'm going to be selecting a kit to somebody in the United States because the shipping and the customs and the tariffs and the taxes and the VAT is so expensive for somebody overseas. So it would just be for the United States. I will be choosing someone to win this kit. Pattern, fabric, pre-cut, and everything. So if you love it, I don't know how I'm going to go about doing that, but look forward to somebody winning this kit. It's so pretty. Lovely, lovely, summery, beautiful pre-cut fabric. So thank you so very much, the Fabric Hut. I will be getting on to that very soon, and that's exciting to come. Again, I'm going to be working on my Dresden plate, and my other thought for my second in my series of wall hangings. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the photographs I have put up at the end. I know some of you love to see the pictures of our 10 children and our family, our 19 grandchildren. And yeah, we had a lovely evening, and I just thought I wanted to share that with you. So anyway, folks, I'm going to go enjoy the sunshine. It is a beautiful day, and yeah, all is good right now in this little part of our world. We are very, very blessed. Thank you so much. I hope you're all having a lovely day, and please take care of yourselves. We love you guys. Love from the Trueloves. See ya. Bye-bye.